Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to enhance Roblox visuals on mobile devices. While dedicated PC-style shaders are generally not available for phones, there are several effective ways to significantly improve your game's appearance. We'll explore practical methods to make your Roblox experience look much sharper and more vibrant. Get ready to transform your mobile gameplay with these helpful tips. First, let's start with Roblox's built-in options. You can significantly improve your game's look by navigating to the in-game settings and adjusting the graphics quality slider. Moving this slider towards the higher end will render sharper textures and more detailed environments. Remember to find a balance that provides excellent visuals without compromising your device's smooth performance during gameplay. Now, let's talk about your arsenal. Halo Infinite features a wide array of weapons, from kinetic assault rifles to plasma carbines, each with unique strengths. Equipment like the drop wall provides temporary cover, while thrusters offer quick evasive maneuvers. Knowing where power weapons, such as the rocket launcher or energy sword, spawn on each map gives you a significant advantage. Finally, for those creating Roblox content, you can achieve stunning shader-like effects through post-processing. Record your gameplay, then use a video editing application to apply various filters, color grading, and visual adjustments. This technique allows you to create highly polished and visually rich clips for sharing. Remember, these enhancements are for your recorded videos, not for real-time gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.